What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life on a 2013 Ford Escape. Like I said, it's a 13 Ford Escape in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And the Escape we're going to be looking at here has a push-button start ignition. So after an oil change, you want to make sure that the oil life is reset so that you can accurately calculate your next oil change. And how we're going to do that is we need to put the vehicle in the on position. So on the push button start vehicles, without pressing the brake, you'll press the stop start button one time. And then wait for it to stop dinging. And what we're going to do is press the brake and the gas down and continue to hold them both down. And we're going to hold them down for about 20 seconds. And you can see on the dash here, it's saying oil reset in progress. So just continue to hold those both down. And then you can see it says oil reset complete, and you can go ahead and take those off. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.